Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're going to look at why people have the urge to upgrade their tech across MacBook and iPhone. Now, as you can see, we are running macOS Big Sur off my 2015 MacBook. It's great, it runs very smoothly. Got all the features that, macOS Big Sur has on the newest laptops. All the animations, you got the control center up here, and just all the general app redesigns here. All of what's new on macOS Big Sur is also come to a laptop that is 5 years old. So guys, this is just proof that you don't need to buy tech every year, every 2 years. Wait good for like at least 3 years for something more to happen. And so hopefully when I get a new laptop, I could be getting, so many more features than just upgrading just to 1 or 2 new features. I'll have 6, 7 new features or much more new features. For example, the M1 chip, better screen, better performance, different keyboard, Touch ID, because there's no Touch ID on the 2015 MacBook. So you can see from that example, there are more changes, more features, sufficient enough to change. So please don't make the mistake of upgrading every year, every 2 years. Was it like part of that like package where you can upgrade your phone every year for free or something, or for as your kind of mobile provider gives you a deal or something? Then fine, I get that. But like for like tech like MacBooks, iPads, don't upgrade every year or 2. Give it a few more years. So this is the iPhone SE from 2016. This was my one of the phones I owned back in the day. It was a great phone to buy, but by 2019 I was getting within the hour 30% battery life, and that was not great. And so that, to me, when the battery life just gets ruined like that, that's when you should upgrade your tech, upgrade your phone, your laptop, your iPad. Yes, you could replace the battery, but sometimes battery replacements are quite costly, and you might just have to pay another £100 or £200 and then get a new thing altogether. Yeah, certainly if your device is troubling with battery life, you should definitely look into upgrading. So this is the iPhone XR, which was released in 2018, and the software is still really right up to date. It's got iOS 14 or 14.4 or whatever. The point is, it's got the current operating system, and it's running really well, fast. And if I was to wait kind of 3 or 4 years, that for me would justify upgrading, because if I upgraded, so I don't know, to like the iPhone 11, for example, when that came out, which was a year later, okay, I was getting a better processor, better camera, and that was really it, to be honest. Whereas if you wait 3 or 4 years, there'll be way more features in it to buy. So for example, you'd have maybe a much better battery life, better colors, optionality, maybe the shape of the iPhone changes, maybe it switches to USB-C. If I waited another year, maybe I can get 120 hertz iPhone or something, and maybe it'd be portless. So there's way more in it. If you wait 3 or 4 years with a gadget, then it's worth upgrading, because there's more features to upgrade to rather than just 1 or 2. You'll get like 4 or 5. Guys, this just shows you don't need to buy the latest tech all the time. Wait. And when I mean wait, actually wait.